friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about NZXT seamless glass PC case H9 Elite. So friend, NZXT has unveiled the H9 Elite mid-tower PC case which does away the support columns that hold up the glass panel. And friend, black and white are the colors. And friend, a variation model called H9 Flow will be released. And friend, first of all, I talk about the Elite H9. So friend, the internal design is based on the NZXT H series dual chamber structure. And friend, the distinguish the main area for motherboards and graphics card from the storage area for storage, power supply units, cables and other items. We have achieved both case of installation and video of the finished product. And friend, in addition to the reliability of each component part, ATX, micro ATX and mini ATX motherboards are all compatible. And friend, each captive space has a maximum height of 165 for the CPU cooler, maximum length of 435 mm for the graphics card, maximum depth of 200 mm for the power supply unit, and maximum width of 91 mm for the cable management mechanism. And friend, next I will talk about the H9 Flow case. So friend, the H9 Flow comes with the mesh top panel and it also released. And friend, there are no other significant changes to the internal structure. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.